Out of nowhere, three giant, curvy, colorful women in the middle of Hanover, just standing there, like it's the most normal thing ever. But trust me, they are not normal at all. Their name? Nanas. The Nanas. Created in 1970s by a wild French artist, Niki de Saint Phalle. She wanted to celebrate women. Not perfect, but powerful and colorful. People hated them at first. Now they are one of Hanover's famous landmarks. I passed by them many times, but today I actually stopped and looked. Honestly, they made me smile. Sometimes art doesn't need to be understood, just felt. This is Caroline. Upside down, feet up. Alright, next up. Check this out. This one is Sophie. So cool. Okay, now let's go see Charlotte. I gotta say, I like her name. Interesting, right? So, did you like them as well? Maybe let's take a quick look around while we're here. Alright, that's enough for today. Catch you next time.